Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with this Pinterest pin off of my Pinterest board. I picked it because I really liked all the khaki colors and the blue and the white. I am going to be using my Christmas How to Kill a Kit with Style and scrapbooking this photo of us all at Christmas breakfast. So let's see what I can do. Alright guys, so I am playing with a bunch of my papers. I'm flipping through the paper pad here, just trying to figure out what in the heck I'm going to use. I know I wanted to use navy, and I also knew I wanted to use red and green, so I thought that this plaid would be a great option to be able to bridge the gap between all of those colors. Now, I know that these colors go together, guys. I get that, but honestly, when I am scrapbooking Christmas, I really do love a traditional red and green kind of photo, or not photo, embellishment. Like, I just do, okay? That whole big red bows on greenery, it just makes me happy. To introduce the blue, I decided that I was going to use the plaid. Now, I did pull out this Pink Fresh Studio blue paper. This is a scrap, and I decided to go ahead and layer that up here. And I will confess, I haven't really looked at my Pinterest inspiration pin since I started. So I know that there are layers, and I know that there are bits and pieces, but other than that, I'm kind of going on what I want. So I got the inspiration from the pin, kind of got the layout, and now I am going for it. So I actually don't even use the inspiration from the corner bit that is up in the upper right-hand corner. I don't use that whatsoever. I just decide that my layout is perfectly fine without it. So I am going to place this red and white polka dot paper on either side of the plaid paper so that it looks like it goes all the way behind it. You and I both know it doesn't. And that way I can use that red and white polka dot paper another time. So now I'm going to bring in this plaid washi tape. It is from Simple Stories Carpe Diem. No idea what year, no idea. I couldn't even tell you guys. Like, it's been in the stash for a little while. It's probably about halfway gone, but it has been in the stash for a little while. So now I'm going to pull off these thickers, or not thickers, these are Simple Stories foam stickers that says Be Merry, and my title's going to go down here at the bottom. So now I'm just going to go through my embellishments and figure out what I want to add and what I want to use. So, confession time. I do have a lot more Christmas paraphernalia. Let's call it that. I got a lot more Christmas paraphernalia than what is in my kit. But I really did want to kill what was in my kit. Like, this is the stuff I definitely want to get rid of. So these are the things that I'm going to concentrate on. Did I bring in more paper? Yeah, I did. Could I have used that snowflake paper? Yeah, I could have. But, you know, I brought it in, and that's just the way it is. So I am using other things. But look how almost empty that sticker sheet is. I can't wait to kill that sticker sheet. It's gonna be so good. I hope I can actually kill it, because there are a couple things on here I'm just like, am I actually gonna be able to use that? I don't know. If I have a couple stickers on there that I don't end up using, I'm not gonna be upset about it. Like, it's not gonna ruin my day, and I'll probably just toss it in the bin. But now I am going to use this scrapbook.com tiny word stickers here, and I'm going to put some up here at the top where I have this piece of paper that says Believe Together and Celebrate. And then I'm going to put one down here at the bottom by Be Merry as well. I was trying to figure out if I could get that tiny word to fit over top one of the labels that were in there, and it doesn't. So just toss that off to the side. Now I'm trying to decide what other things I can add. So I know that I need to have string on my tags, because I can't have naked tag holes, even if the tags don't really have the holes. So the printed paper doesn't have a tag hole, but it kind of has like a tag almost hole, kind of like where the hole would be kind of thing. So yeah, I can't have that. So my first tag, the one with the plaid, that has kind of a thicker twiny type bow on it, and then the one with the joy is going to be a nice little thinner silver and white baker's twine. Now I am using gold on this layout. It doesn't matter to me that the silver is in the baker's twine. Basically, it's a little glimmer of metallic on my page, so to me, not a big deal whatsoever. Now I am going to place on a couple of these little metallic star stickers just to add a little bit more of the glitz onto the layout. Like I said, I stopped looking at the inspiration piece, and if I would have looked at the inspiration piece a little bit more, I probably would have gone with more embellishment and more things and more textures. But honestly, you guys, I am completely happy with how this layout turned out. The photo is kind of rough. It's a selfie, and like my face is huge, and by the time we get around to Chloe's, we've got like half of her tiny little head behind an orange juice glass. So it's not the best photo, but it was a memory, so it's going in the album. So now I'm just going to journal about our Christmas breakfast tradition. Can't even speak right now. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out everyone that's playing along with Off the Board this month, which is a fabulous series started by Crystal of Pineapple Papers. And I will see you guys again real soon for another video.